Hi, I'm Amber at WTI, and if you are a protein bar junkie like I am, you are gonna love this bar. I am so impressed with this bar. I don't know why it took me forever to try it. I thought that it was full of milk and oats, but it turns out it is gluten-free and it is amazing. This Builder bar from CLIF is just perfection. It is 20 grams of protein, so it's nice and filling. It has amino acids and essential oils in it to help repair and build muscle. A lot of gluten-free products will substitute an ingredient for oats thinking it's gluten-free. But in reality, there's so much cross-contamination that it's really not safe for those that need to be gluten-free to be eating oats. So I love that this bar doesn't have oats, but it still is nice and crunchy. It's very filling because of all the protein that is in it. It is plant-based. And I love the ingredients on here are very simple and easy to understand. There's no foreign words on here that I don't know what I'm eating. They have really outdone themselves with these bars. The flavor, the peanut butter is a very slight peanut butter. So we have the chocolate and then we have a little tiny bit of peanut butter. They also have no dairy. So I can't have dairy, I can't have gluten, I can't have oats. So I can eat this and I'm so happy. These are my go-to to just throw in my purse when I am busy on the go and I really am terrible at eating food. So this will help me to get the nutrients that I need, get the protein I need to be full and last throughout my day. So I'm a huge fan of this bar and I think you will be too. And that is my point of view.